What I wish I knew at 16. Sometimes the best therapy is just a view. Forget the noise. Let's get lost in pure beauty. Imagine standing at the edge of a sparkling blue lake, mountains rising all around, the air crisp and quiet, or walking through a forest where every leaf glows under golden sunlight. These moments are pure magic. No words, just nature and calm. From wild waterfalls crashing down, endless green valleys, sunsets painting the sky, each scene is its own little escape. Breathe in, slow down, and let your mind wander. Sometimes, all we need is a minute of beauty to reset our day. So next time life feels hectic, remember, there's a whole world of peace waiting. Just outside your window or right here on your screen. Take it in and let yourself dream.